All the stall has been installed. Pradeep eating breakfast now. And our stall has been installed and decorated with sari. Sheetal is there. The Indian map is hanging over there. And our Bhaskar and Amitabh are busy with decorating the this is our and map of India, and this Incredible India. We are showing Incredible India, some dance form, the places to visit in India, and this is mandirs of all India. Sheetal, say something about your own language.
About Marathi, you can read everything there in French. I have tried to write it in French.
Okay, this is Marathi language?
Yeah, I have tried to put few things about the literature in Marathi and how it has evolved through the centuries. And I have also written something about drama in Marathi. Especially the different part of drama in Marathi is they have something which is similar to opera in European Union.
Okay.
So which is musical dramas. It is completely different, and it's I think it is only there in Marathi language in India.
Okay, can you say some name of drama which?
Yeah, the names of drama are Sita Swayamvar, Kichak Vadh. These are quite popular, and then they have been there have been later on.
Kichak Vadh means related to Mahabharata?
Yeah, it is related to Mahabharata.
Okay.
There are a lot of things which have names which sound quite old, related to our religious things and our old Puranas and all, but mainly these dramas talk a lot about the current political situation.
Okay.
And what?
Basically concentrated on Ray family, which is Sukumar Ray, Satyajit Ray, and his some of translation in French. So his first letter. Now let us talk with Amitabh. So please say something about your decoration and Incredible India. What your theme is in Incredible India. So what do you think?
We have tried to put from the different things that we have in India, and we have tried to showcase the dance from India. Then we have shown the tourism part of India. We have the beautiful Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
Then from the southern part of India we have the Kerala and the beaches. And then we have listed all the languages here, which is like by state wise. As you know that there are like 28 states and almost 25 states and almost 28 languages in India.
Okay.
So the main languages are listed here with all the corresponding states where it is spoken.
Okay.
And how many million people are like speaking each language. So some statistics you can see here. The number of speakers as in 2001. Just be careful, Sheetal.
Okay. What is the maximum number?
So it is around 180 million is the Bengali language, which is spoken in the east part of the India.
Okay.
And then Tamil is also spoken widely in the southern part in Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar. And then the next highest is the Telugu language, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in Pondicherry. So we have some portraits also. Like this is a very traditional portrait that has been hand created. I think it is from the west part of India and in the world. So most of the people, local people, would have visited, and they can correlate this to India very well. And then we have the yoga, which is Yogasana, which is coming from Indian origin, and then it has spread widely in the world. So this Yogasana, only one asana is being shown here. And then we have the tiger here, which is the Royal Bengal tiger, which is from the West Bengal. And this is also very, it's kind of an extinct species. Around only some 1100 odd Bengal tigers are remaining today. So there is a campaign going on to save them. And then we have some other handmade
Portrait.
Buddha portrait.
Okay.
And here we have kept all the languages from the different parts of the country, with the central image as the country itself, and then we have tried to put the languages that is spoken in each part of the country.
Thank you very much.
Oh, we went to Bombay, then we went all the way down south to Kanyakumari, then we went to Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, then we went to Agra,
Okay.
and then come back to Mumbai. 5 weeks and a couple of days.
Can you show it in map, in Indian map?
Yes.
Can you show it in Indian map? This is the
There
Indian
we are.
map.
There we are. We
Okay.
arrived. Where's Mumbai? There you are, Mumbai.
Yes.
So we've gone all the way down to Kerala, and then here to Kanyakumari. Then we went up to Chennai somewhere here. Chennai, yeah. Oh yeah. Because there we can have a drink there in Chennai.
It's very hot there.
Yeah. Oh yes. It was lovely there. This is beautiful. And from there we went to Kolkata. See, I come from Mauritius, but I live in England for 50 odd years, yeah? But my forefathers come from Bihar. Oh yeah? That's why in Mauritius, we've got lots of people in the days of slaves. They are called the Biharis. Their name was Bihari because the English, the British, when they couldn't do properly, they just, I come from Bihari, and Bihar is Bihari. That's how they got the name Bihari.
Actually, from which region of Bihar?
I don't know, because I travel. My name is Boyju, B-O-Y-J-O-O, and when I was in Calcutta, I was trying to find my ancestors. Oh, there were 200 different ways of spelling the name Boyju. Would you believe that? They couldn't help me. They couldn't help me, you see. And then from there we went Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. In Delhi. And then we went to, we went there in the mountains there, what's it called now? Shimla. And then we came back to Delhi, and then we came back to Mumbai.
Oh, you have visited almost the whole of India, all parts of India.
Beautiful place. So much. This is the only country in the world that civilization still exists. The old civilization still exists to this day. The only country in the world.
Do you know since he's come back, he's bought 15 Indian films, all about Shah Rukh Khan. He watches
I know,
them.
Sanjay Kapoor.
He watches them. I don't know how many times. I don't dislike it, but I've got overdose of it.
Maybe you should go to India to buy one. Used to it.
I wasn't there.
I love Indian films, but like Shah Rukh Khan all the time. I can't even behave like him because I've watched him so much.
I met when I was in Mumbai. I went to Bollywood. Mumbai. I met Ashwara Rai.
Oh, that's great.
Ooh, she's beautiful. Oh my goodness.
It's the most memorable day
Rani
of your
Mukherjee.
life.
Rani Mukherjee. Rai. Another one of them.
He watches Indian films, he drinks Indian tea,
Dixit.
he uses Indian soaps, he'll be back.
His heart is
Oh my.
Can you sing any song from your 15 film? Please, one song.
Est-ce qu'il est à vous la voiture espace là? Non, la voiture.
No.
Il est pas vous.
I forgot. I did know one.
One Shah Rukh Khan song, please.
Dil Pagal, hey.
दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना
That's the
है.
one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bonne journée. Au revoir.